So I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use a Mozart AI song generator application. So first of all, you need to install this app, then simply tap on the open button. So tap here next, and you can see here, let's begin. First step, choose the mode for your track. So I'm just going to tap randomly, and randomly you can, and next. So you can say no thanks this time, and you can see here it's not totally free. So you can see this is the option, enter text, and this is the lyrics. So if you have your own lyrics or text, you can copy or paste it here, but I'm just going to take help from Inspire Me. Simply tap here, you can see, and for lyrics, you can see here, this is the lyrics. So once you're done, simply tap here style, then you can see here this style. I'm just going to tap something happy, apply, and genre. So you can see what type of genre you want to like, you can search it here. So I'm just going to choose randomly. Actually, I don't have good idea about song. You can choose, and you can see here your random. Okay, and if you want to get a specific one, then you need to buy their premium package. So that's it, and after that you can see here, okay, it's something problematic. Okay, enter, Inspire Me. So it means it's something that you need to create. It's not totally free actually, but you can listen. You need to subscribe. Okay, I'm just going to tap. So it's not free. Like if you really want to get the things, then you have to buy their premium package through this option. So it's not free for you, and there are a lot of site or tools or app available that you can create music free. You can check off my list of my video.